Me hear say, me baby mother husband and ask her if do DNA test.
This kitty is behaving like a teenager. Marriage is holy. Marriage is...
From the baby born. From the baby born. The first thing me come out and say, me tell him she go do a DNA.
Miss Kitty use her platform to tread them.
Yes, my lovely people. Big up on yourself. Wanna do again. Welcome to another one. Welcome to Yardman TV, News and Entertainment. Big up on yourself all the time. And today, we will talk about Miss Kitty. Two person come out. And we are going to put them to the video here. And we are going to talk all about Miss Kitty and some DNA bowl. We don't know what that means. Big up to Miss Kitty all the time. Big up to 119. Big up to the ex-police officer lady. All the time. Today me a come out. Me nah go beat like you know. Just a come for review over it. And talk about it a little. People, I'm gonna make them talk more. Cause Miss Kitty this, the lady this. You know, come here to beat and abuse and tear down. Yeah man, we're gonna make a year 119 of say. And the other lady, well have them opinion, with them choice. You know, really beat them on it. Big up on yourself. So anyway, a year 119 of say. As self-proclaimed father to the baby. Big up on yourself all the time. Boom. Yardman TV.
Me hear say, me baby mother husband and ask her if do DNA test now. It's all over social media. Say me baby mother husband want a DNA test. From the baby born. From the baby born. The first thing me come out and say, me tell him to go do a DNA test. And he sit down there like an idiot. Look how long me tell you to do a DNA test. Look from when. Look from when me tell you to go and do a DNA test on the baby. And now you come boy you want to do DNA test? If you do the DNA test, you're going to get a surprise and get a shock. Now it's all over the internet now, all over social media. My baby mother is trending again because everybody I say her husband asked her for DNA test and she said she not do no DNA test. Them all I say her husband filed divorce. I don't believe that. I don't believe her husband filed divorce. Her husband feels me and her. Me and her still a touch under the quiet. Me no kiss and tell. Me no talk. Me no depend that. Me no come and stuff to talk about that. When me come and stuff to talk about is that me want the three of we go up on the Maury show. Me want the three of we to go on the Maury show and do the DNA live on the Maury show. Me want we do the DNA, make the world see a fool for pitney. Because me tell him long time me tell him say go do the DNA test. And me don't know if afraid or what. Me don't know if afraid. But me hear say she not do no DNA. And that the vloggers and the bloggers are couple of them come out and I say them have it from good source. Say she not agree to no DNA. Because me know. Me want the DNA to be done and me want it to be done on Maury. Me want the tray we go on Maury for the reveal. imagine when Mary put up my little daughter picture, put up the man picture and put up for me picture. When Mary put up the mother picture, the husband picture, my daughter picture, my picture. And she a run up. And I said, look at the nose, look at the mouth, look at the eyes. Lord Jesus Christ, you can imagine when Mary bring out that the envelope. When Mary take up the envelope, me go sit down up there confident. Cause me know. Me not fret. Me not go pa Mary go sweat. A him have to go sweat. A him go pa Mary go worry and fret. He would all faint up there. When Mary take up that the envelope there and say, when it comes.
Why me I tell you 119. 119. You can't tell him say enough him pitney, you know. Hope and you get let down if you go up on the marriage show. Why you're good at the storytelling, you know. So anyway, big up yourself. Make sure this kitty not come out and have your file. It's what a day. So anyway, big up yourself all the time. You could check him out, because I'm not done, you know.
When it comes to baby Kathy, Kathy, she a mosque. You don't know, say I know, me don't know my daughter name. Up to now, me don't know my daughter name. Cause she not can tell me my daughter name. But when Mary take up that the envelope and say, when it come to 1-year-old Kathy, you are not the father. Jesus Christ, he might drop down. You imagine him a ball. Big old upstanding man in society, in a tears, for Mary show. Oh God, and when they put the baby picture beside my picture, now I go see the dead stamp. So no beg her, me a beg all our friends, them, our family, everybody. It is only fear. Make sure do the DNA. You know, fear if you fool up her husband. It's not a nice thing. Jacket is not a nice thing. And the next thing, me not see my daughter. Me can't see my daughter. Not even like a picture of my daughter. And I want to see what my daughter look like. I wonder if she got her mother big bottom. Oh, but no. She can't have her mother big bottom because her mother big bottom. And a natural big bottom, sorry. Daughter bottom I go squeeze up flat like a bomb presser. Squeeze up. The natural part of her mother bottom. You know big and fluffy and protruded. It squeeze up like it's machine like you know when you have two dumplings and you put the two dumplings together. So her mother natural bottom look. I wish my daughter could have inherit the big bottom when my baby mother have now, but it never happen because that part of things not natural. But me can't even get to give me little daughter, the little something them when I buy up some whole of things and have it to give me daughter. But after we go on Mary, she have to go give back her husband everything I ever buy for my daughter. Me don't want none of them sit there. None of them clothes they can't go on my daughter. None of them sit there can't go on my daughter. Nah. I hope you not ask for no refund for the money when you spend on my daughter. Because I don't have no money for give back. I hope you don't want a refund.
I tell you, by history this, cannot believe the 119 must be in a dream or something. I don't know. Marafi baby. You can't tell. If I wasn't there, yeah man. So big up on yourself, my people. Appreciate my head. Man, I want to go to a Mario show. Excitement. One day for because if a fox can get the grape, he says so. No. But anyway, my people, I go check out the ex-police lady. I hear what him have to say. A broad belt him drought, Miss Kitty likewise. Yeah man. So big up in yourself. Hear what she have to say. Boom. It's a nice lady, you know. So nobody thinks, I don't know, wicked lady. She's a nice lady. It's just her opinion share. Yeah man. So big up yourself. Always. Boom.
Miss Kitty is behaving like a teenager. Marriage is holy. Marriage is personal. Miss Kitty is not the only, that team is not the only team around the world that co-hosts. They are not the first to ever co-host a program. Dorian and Alan has been co-hosting for many years. Well, they were on radio. But, well, they used to go out. Well, yeah, they used to be out there. And they are not the only two persons. Remember, I know, Miss Kitty is the police of morals and conduct. You know? Remember, she teaching us how to conduct ourselves. You know? If any other person conducted themselves in like manner, you would not hear the end of it. Young persons who just start develop, Miss Kitty use her platform to tread them like needle and hold them accountable for their conducts and behavior. Miss Kitty is a mature married woman that should be setting example for others to follow. Remember, she had a real deal, you know, man. Remember, she had the boss and relationship, you know, man. Even Jesus himself is jealous. And everybody knows that the line between male and female cross easily. And everybody knows what happened in organization. Every knowing person knows what happened in a church, what happened in a workplace. And the only way that look of Miss Kitty and that gentleman, whatever his name is not questionable, is unless he's not attracted to female. Because I don't know. So maybe he's not attracted to female. So if that's the case, then it still not look good. It still not look good. It still not look mature. It still look booty. Remember, Miss Kitty up on the stage, them call out people for booty at a conduct, you know. Remember, you know. You teach people how to treat you.
Well, a lady here. She talk like a decent lady. First of all, you go check her out on YouTube. When you check her out on TikTok, support her thing and listen what she have to say. You choose yourself how good she is or how you feel about her. Yeah, man. So you me I say, she did take out Miss Kitty and they take out everything. Miss Kitty, when you have people like them, people you have to be careful of your move. Yeah, man. And them people you know if they take out things and sit through you like a mesh wire. Yeah, man. Anyway, you go put yourself all the time. Remember, thank you for sticking by. If you stick by so far, you can subscribe and like and comment. Yeah, man. More like this. Give me a support. Big up on yourself. Check out the rest of the video. Catch you next time. Boom. Yardman TV Entertainment.
I see where Miss Blinger behave, you know. Assassinate everybody else's character on our platform, you know. And then you don't know what going on with she. So, nobody come tell me that our work them and work is a professional organization. That's how much views you want. That's it. Listen, man, marriage is holy. And if her husband don't have a problem with that, something wrong. Me I don't know nobody still, you know. But I make my husband cut my hair because I don't want no man touch me. Me go do my nails one time, I want man do it at Canada, me no go back. Me don't want a man touch Chris' wife. Don't come touch up. If you even send me a message, I find it so out of it. Me don't want nobody come touch up Chris' wife. Me no market. Me no coronation market. No come feel up the market. Me no tomato. No come feel up the goods in the market. No come touch up Chris goods in a Chris market. As she set the standard, and I am holding her to it. I am holding Miss Kitty to the standard that she set.